playing Seek Ye First the Kingdom of God, there's a beautiful melodic bass line. If you have a bass player, you concentrate on the chords and the bass player is going to play that flowing bass line. Or if you're a guitar player on your own, then you want to add them in because it's just beautiful. So I'll play the bass notes separately. Seek ye first. Seek ye first. So to play the melodic bass line, you want to hit the bass note and then the chord. Now the reason that I'm playing the chord while I'm playing that single bass note is in case I make a mistake. If I were to hit the bass note and maybe the string underneath it as well, then I'm in the chord, so it'll harmonize, it won't clash. If I play those two, even three. But to hear the melody, concentrate on playing the bass note, then the chord.